You think you know your fruit, yeah? You call yourself a foodie, do ya? Well, you lot probably think a pineapple's just something sweet and tangy to slap on a pizza. Wrong! This tropical nightmare is hiding more secrets than a Michelin-starred chef's recipe book. We're talking enzymes that'll eat you back, royal scandals, and enough criminal history to make Al Capone blush. Stick around because fact number 3, absolutely mental. Let's get one thing straight, pineapples play dirty. You ever wonder why your mouth tingles after a few slices? It's not just the acidity, you muppet, it's because that juicy fruit is fighting back. See, pineapples are packed with this little enzyme called bromelain. And bromelain, my friends, is a protein digesting machine. That tingling, that's your own mouth being broken down cell by cell. Don't worry, it's not going to dissolve your tongue completely. But it does explain why chefs like me soak pineapple in salt water. Neutralizes the enzyme, you see, takes the bite out of the bite, so to speak. But here's the kicker, bromelain is so damn powerful it's used in meat tenderizers. Yeah, that stuff you use to make your steaks juicy. Pineapple power right there. It's even used in some wound cleaning medicines. Who knew a spiky fruit could be a medical marvel, eh? Back in the 18th century, if you wanted to spot a right royal tosser, you just had to look for the bloke with a pineapple. No, seriously, these days you can get a pineapple for a $5 down at the corner shop. Back then, a single pineapple could cost you $8 grand. $8 grand! You could buy a bloody carriage with that. They were the ultimate status symbol. Richer than rich Brits would rent pineapples for their fancy parties just to show off. They wouldn't even eat the bloody things. Just stick them on a pedestal like some kind of golden trophy. Talk about pretentious, eh? We've got actual rental contracts from the 1760s, listing pineapples as the star attraction. Imagine that, signing a legally binding document to borrow a piece of fruit. The world was a different place back then. Now, where there's luxury, there's always someone trying to make a quick quid. And pineapples? They weren't just a status symbol, they were a bloody gold mine. Smuggling those spiky devils into Britain became a thing, a dangerous thing. We're talking jail time, folks. One poor sod got caught nicking a pineapple and got slapped with a 7-year prison sentence. 7 years for a fruit. You could rob a bank and get less time. Shows you how much those pineapples were worth. And then there's the pineapple mafia. No, I'm not joking. The Dole Company, the big kahuna of pineapples, pretty much ruled the global market back in the day. They controlled something like 75% of the world's supply. Talk about a fruit salad empire. Alright, let's talk botany, shall we? Pineapples are weird, and I don't mean, oh, it's a bit prickly weird. I mean, this thing shouldn't exist weird. For starters, they don't grow on trees. Nope. These bad boys sprout from spiky bushes. And get this, each pineapple is actually like 200 tiny little berries, all fused together into one monstrous fruit. It's like something out of a science fiction film. No wonder it takes 2 to 3 years for a single plant to produce just one pineapple. 2 to 3 years. You could bake a cake in less time. Alright, this last one's for all you cocktail enthusiasts out there. Did you know you can ferment pineapple juice into alcohol? Just leave that sweet nectar out in the sun for a while, let nature do its thing, and bam! You've got yourself a tropical cocktail. Pirates were all over this trick back in the day. It's like the original jungle juice. And if you think it sounds disgusting, you're dead wrong. Pineapple wine is actually a thing in the Caribbean, and it's bloody delicious. So there you have it. The humble pineapple fruit of kings, enemy of taste buds, and apparently a pretty decent booze substitute. Who knew? So next time you're staring at a pineapple, remember, you're not just looking at a fruit. You're looking at history, at science, at a culinary chameleon that can tenderize a steak and get you sloshed. Still think pineapples are just pizza toppings? Didn't think so. If you learned something today that made you spit out your tea, smash that like button like your life depended on it. And subscribe because we've got a whole fruit basket of mind-blowing food facts coming your way. Tell me in the comments which fact shocked you the most. Was it the man-eating enzymes, the pineapple black market? Let me know and I'll see you in the next video, you bunch of fruitcakes.